Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to increase or decrease the size of the text throughout the windows so that your fonts of your applications and the whole Windows computer is changed. So for that, you just need to do a right click and then go to settings. And here at the left hand side, you will find a tab named accessibility. So once you click on that, the very first option will be text size that appears throughout the windows and your apps. Now the moment I click on that, and we have this text size, and there is a button, we just need to drag it to the right side to increase the size of the font, or we can decrease to the left side to make the font smaller. So once we are satisfied with the size of the text, you can simply click on apply and it will be changed. The whole computer text has been changed. I hope you have enjoyed this short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.